I know this video is coming a little late, but I wanted to make this video wherein I share my learnings in the journey from 0 to 100 subscribers. Hi guys, I am Akansha Sehgal and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then welcome to my channel. So I uploaded my first YouTube video on May 14, 2020, and after 45 days I crossed my 100 subscribers mark. I know this is a small number for a lot of people out there, but for me it's a huge milestone, and I would like to thank all the people who joined me in this journey and have supported throughout and are supporting continuously. Thank you so much. And I just wanted to make this video and share some learnings of my journey from 0 to 100 subscribers so that it can help all the people who are just starting out in reaching their goals a little faster maybe. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So the very first thing that I learned in this journey is to build a personal brand. Now what I mean by this is that when people come to your channel, they should get an idea about what they are signing up for. Your channel should be very clear about what kind of content you make, what kind of videos you post. For example, when you come to my channel, you'll see all sorts of craft ideas, DIYs, business tips and tricks. That is because essentially I want to help new people starting out their businesses, especially craft businesses. So that is why my content revolves around that, and people, when they'll come to my channel, they'll get an idea about this easily. So develop your personal brand, let people know what they are signing up for when they'll subscribe to your channel, because it is very important for the people to know what kind of content they are signing up for by subscribing to your channel. The second thing that I learned is that be vocal about you starting your channel. You need to again and again talk about that you have started your channel. It is so important to let people know that you have started a channel, because if people will not know why and how they are going to sign up or subscribe to your channel, the very first way, the very first place where you need to be vocal is among your friends and family. This area is so underrated, so underrated. I swear my initial subscribers were just my friends and family, and they support me till now. You do not underestimate the power of your friends and family. Be vocal among them, tell them that you have started a channel and ask them to support you, and the people who actually care about you will definitely support your channel. The second place where you need to be vocal about this is Facebook groups. There are a lot of YouTube related groups and specific groups related to niche that you are going in. So find those groups, get active on them, and you will see a change on your channel. And also you should be vocal on various other platforms that you are on about your channel, like Instagram, Twitter. Talk about your channel on these platforms and let people know that you are on YouTube, and they should go and have a look and then subscribe to your channel. The third thing that I learned is that generate content as much as possible. Make as many videos as you can, because there are very rare chances that with just one video your channel blows up. The more the content, the more likely are people to subscribe to your channel, because they have a lot of video options to look at and decide whether they want to subscribe to your channel or not. Think for yourself only that when you are looking on YouTube and you watch a video and then you go to that channel and you find that there is just one video, you are most likely not to subscribe that channel. So you need to have as many videos as possible on your channel, and don't get disheartened with that you're not getting subscribers when you have just 1 or 2 or 3 videos out. Generate content, wait, have patience. Subscribers will come when they will see what kind of videos and how consistently you are posting those videos. The fourth point is search engine optimization. If you are a new YouTuber, I know you have listened to this from very big YouTubers time and again, and I am not kidding, this is actually very important. The moment from when I started paying attention on my SEO, on my tags, and I use TubeBuddy, most of the people use TubeBuddy, and so do I. The moment I started using it, the moment I started searching for my tags, the rankings, and everything, I saw a difference in the number of engagement on my videos on my channel. Do not underestimate the power of search engine optimization on YouTube. And if you have any doubts related to TubeBuddy or any other platform which supports you in ranking in search on YouTube, go for it, learn that, and apply those learnings. That is very important on YouTube. My last learning for the day will be to engage with your community. When I say engage, I just don't mean that engage with your audience in your comment section, but also engage with people on other channels in your niche as well. It is so important to engage in relevant discussion on other channels as well, as it gives you a lot of exposure. When you are supporting other people, other small YouTubers in your niche, and by support I do not mean sub for sub, S for S, subscribe for subscribe, that is not going to help you in the long run. Genuinely support other people, genuinely comment on their videos, engage in their videos, and they will engage in your videos, they will engage on your channel as well, because they can see that you genuinely want to grow with them, and that changes the whole thing. So engage with your community. Do not underestimate the powers of commenting on your own channel and in the comment section of other YouTubers in your niche. So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And to conclude all this, I would just like to say this thing, that every channel's growth is different. Some people grow way faster and some people take baby steps on YouTube. Do not get disheartened by seeing other people who started with you gain subscribers much faster than you. Have patience, stay motivated, stay focused, things will fall into place. Just don't lose hope, and I would just like to wish all the best to all the small YouTubers out there just like me. And yeah, this was pretty much about today's video. I would see you guys super soon in my next one, and also make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss any notifications from my channel in the future. And yeah, I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.